Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a basic Windows batch file on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search magnifying glass down your taskbar, and you want to search for Notepad. Best match should come back with Notepad. Go ahead and open that up. You want to type the @ sign and then echo, ECHO. And then the next line should go be whatever your text is here. So if you want to have a command print, for example, you're going to type in echo, so ECHO. You can type in whatever you want, honestly, at this point, depending on whatever you're trying to create your batch file for. The echo command prints the text after the space on the screen. So I'm going to type a space in there, and I'm just going to type hello. And then I'm going to hit enter. And then I'm going to just type pause, which will be the end of it, and it will keep the window open. So PAUSE, select file and then save as. Now you want to save this as a file name, so I'm just going to call it batch file. Now you want to call it at the end, you want to type a .bat. That's the only thing that matters in here, so .bat. And you want to set save as type to all files. And I'm going to save it to my desktop here just for convenience. And I'm going to select save. And if I go over to my desktop, I see a batch file on my desktop. So that's pretty much it, guys. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.